Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Garmin Dash Cam 56 is probably one of the most compact and feature-rich dash cams on the market, offering crystal-clear 1440p HD video recording, a wide 140-degree field of view, and advanced driver assistance features like forward collision and lane departure warnings, all housed in a discreet and easy-to-install unit that seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's interior, ensuring you capture every crucial moment on the road with unparalleled clarity and reliability. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Capture your journeys in stunning 4K Ultra HD with our advanced 8MP sensor. It delivers incredibly detailed footage, ensuring you don't miss a single moment on the road. Our revolutionary Super Night Vision technology, featuring a 6-glass lens and a wide f1.5 aperture, provides exceptional clarity even in low-light conditions. See the road ahead like never before. Instantly connect to your smartphone with built-in Wi-Fi 6. View, download, and share your recordings effortlessly through the dedicated app, keeping your precious memories accessible. Integrated GPS accurately logs your driving location and speed. Review your routes on Google Maps via the app, providing valuable insights into your travels. Equipped with a supercapacitor, 150 degrees wide-angle lens, and 24-hour parking mode, it offers comprehensive protection. Features like G-sensor and loop recording ensure your important footage is always safe. As a USA-based company, we offer a full 1-year warranty and dedicated customer support. Reach out to us via text or email for any questions or assistance you may need. What we like. If you're looking for top-tier video quality and seamless connectivity, this is the one. Its 4K resolution and advanced night vision ensure you capture every detail, even in the dark. The Wi-Fi 6 makes transferring footage to your phone incredibly fast, perfect for sharing or reviewing evidence quickly. What people say. The Garmin Dash Cam 56 has a very clear 1440p resolution, which captures excellent detail. The camera's built-in GPS accurately records your location and speed, which is useful for accident reconstruction. The voice control feature allows you to start and stop recording, take a picture, and save a video clip without taking your hands off the wheel. Number 4. ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. Capture every detail of your journey with stunning 4K resolution in the front and full HD in the rear. Its wide-angle lenses ensure you see more of the road, providing comprehensive coverage day or night. Experience superior image quality even in challenging light. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor and wide apertures, it delivers bright, clear recordings, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment. Instantly view and download your footage with lightning-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The dedicated app allows you to manage recordings and settings directly from your smartphone, sharing your experiences with ease. Know exactly where you've been and how fast you were going. Built-in GPS records your routes, locations, and speed, providing valuable data for your travels and peace of mind. Enjoy a suite of cutting-edge features designed for your safety. From seamless loop recording and G-sensor to a supercapacitor for longevity, it's built to perform. Keep your vehicle protected even when parked. Its intelligent parking mode offers multiple detection options and alerts you to any incidents, ensuring your car is monitored around the clock. Get started right away with everything you need included. This package comes with all necessary cables, mounts, and a 128GB card for a hassle-free setup and immediate use. What we like. For those who need comprehensive coverage, this dual-camera system is ideal. It records both front and rear in high definition, ensuring you don't miss anything happening around your vehicle. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor provides exceptional clarity, and the fast Wi-Fi means you can easily manage your footage. What people say. The Garmin Dash Cam 56 is a compact and discreet device that easily mounts to the windshield. It records in crisp 1440p resolution, capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions. The built-in GPS accurately logs speed and location data for every recording. Number 3. REDTIGER F7N Touch 4K Dashcam. Experience your drive in breathtaking 4K UHD with our advanced dashcam. Its Starvis 2 sensor and wide-angle lens capture every detail, while WDR and HDR technology ensure crystal-clear visibility, even in the darkest conditions. Stay focused on the road with intuitive voice commands for hands-free operation. The smart touchscreen allows for quick actions like locking emergency videos or turning on Wi-Fi with a single touch. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast downloads and instant sharing. The built-in GPS accurately records your location, speed, and route, providing valuable data for any situation. Our Dashcam automatically overwrites the oldest footage, ensuring continuous recording with the included 128 GB card. The G sensor detects impacts and automatically protects critical event recordings from being erased. Gain peace of mind with intelligent parking modes. It automatically records collisions or motion while parked, and time-lapse mode offers a condensed overview of events, keeping your vehicle secure. Setting up is a breeze with the included suction cup and tools for hidden wiring. Plus, enjoy 18 months of guarantee and 24/7 customer support for worry-free driving. What we like. If you prioritize ease of use and advanced features, consider this option. Voice control and a touchscreen make operation simple and safe, minimizing distractions. Its excellent night vision capabilities, thanks to the Starvis 2 sensor, ensure clear recordings in all conditions. What people say. The Garmin Dash Cam 56 is a compact and discreet device that easily mounts to the windshield. It records in crisp 1440p resolution, capturing clear footage even in low light conditions. The built-in GPS accurately logs your location and speed, which can be crucial for insurance purposes. Number 2. Garmin 010-12530-00 Low-Profile Magnetic Camera Mount. Introducing the Garmin 010-12530-00, a low-profile magnetic mount designed for your Garmin Dash Cam or Speak device. It offers a secure and convenient way to position your camera. This is a direct replacement mount, ensuring a perfect fit for your compatible Garmin devices. Keep your setup functioning optimally with this essential accessory. It's designed to work seamlessly with Garmin Dash Cam 45, 55, and 65W models. It also fits Garmin Speak Plus and Garmin Speak devices with Alexa. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included magnetic disc and adhesive material. You'll have your device mounted and ready in no time. The strong magnetic attachment ensures your device stays firmly in place, even on bumpy roads. Enjoy peace of mind with a reliable and stable mount. What we like. This is a simple, practical accessory for existing Garmin Dash Cam users. If you need a replacement or an alternative mounting solution for your Garmin Dash Cam 45, 55, or 65W, its magnetic design offers quick and easy installation. It's perfect for those who value a clean, unobtrusive setup. What people say. The Garmin Dash Cam 56 is a compact and discreet device that easily mounts to the windshield. It records in crisp 1440p resolution, capturing clear footage even in low light conditions. The built-in GPS accurately logs your location and speed, which can be crucial for insurance purposes. Number 1. Vantrue E1 Pro 4K Dash Cam. Experience breathtaking 4K resolution with this compact dash cam. Its wide lens captures every detail, ensuring crucial evidence is always recorded. Plus, its small design makes it easy to hide. See clearer than ever, even at night. Advanced software and superior night vision technology enhance details and recognize license plates at higher speeds. It's perfect for any driver. This device offers intelligent parking security. It records events before and after motion is detected, ensuring nothing is missed. Choose from various modes for complete peace of mind. Connect effortlessly to the app to manage your recordings. Built-in GPS tracks your journey, and voice commands allow easy operation without distraction. Stay focused on the road ahead. Enjoy continuous recording with automatic loop functionality. Built with a supercapacitor, it withstands extreme temperatures. It also supports massive storage for hours of footage. Installation is incredibly easy with the included mount. It stays securely in place, even in harsh conditions. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our extended warranty and support. What we like. For drivers who want discreet yet powerful recording, this compact camera is a great choice. Its tiny size makes it easy to hide, while the advanced PlatePix HDR ensures license plates are captured clearly, even at night. If you value a blend of subtlety and high-quality evidence capture, this is the one for you. What people say. The Garmin Dash Cam 56 has excellent video quality, capturing clear footage even in low light conditions. It features a wide 140-degree field of view, ensuring a comprehensive view of the road. The built-in GPS accurately records your location and speed, which can be crucial for accident reconstruction. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.